Do you want quicker access to your open tabs while browsing? Samsung Internet lets you display a tab bar, making it easy to switch between open tabs with a single tap. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet app, then open any web page. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner, then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Layout and Menus. Now enable Show Tab Bar. Next, go back to the home page and open another web page. As you can see, each open web page now appears as a tab above the address bar. It allows you to quickly switch between them without opening the tabs menu. As a note, the tab bar appears above the address bar. If you prefer, you can also move the address bar to the bottom of the screen. Even then, the tab bar remains above the address bar, making it easy to find regardless of where the address bar is positioned. If you no longer want to see the tab bar, simply return to the setting and turn the tab bar off. And that's how you show tab bar in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.